So how do we insert a coffee pod or a milk pod? Lift the lid. There's the pod holder there. There's the barcode reader. That's the barcode, so obviously that's got to go over the window. So the pod's upside down, the barcode is over there automatically. Just tuck it into the lid. Sometimes it just needs a little squeeze. And then, I think it's on the top there. This I call the scissor action. Just snaps down, the light's on, and I just push that to one side. There's a little delay while it heats the water. The orange light's flashing. I just clean this machine. It just needs a little bit more of a polish while I've been manipulating it. So milk normally goes in first. Doesn't seem to be hyper important whether it goes in. There's the steam, the lovely steam. Wakes me up in the morning. And you just wait till it stops flashing. The LED stops flashing. Don't be impatient, just wait till it stops flashing. Right, that's finished. So I just flick up the lid, take out the cartridge, which is now very light and hot. Now put in the coffee pod, Cappuccino, and just flick this down. It's quite a bit of force. You've got to penetrate the plastic cover or the aluminium cover so that it can access the tube so it can project the water into the pod. So that's now I'm now going to start that, and that's flashing. That reassuring noise is quite a nice noise in the morning when you're trying to wake up. Once again, wait till it stops flashing. If you get the coffee and the milk in the wrong order, don't worry too much. Oh, and that's just alerted me that it's run out of water. So before I can make another cup, I'll have to remove the reservoir at the back and top up. That's the floating magnet that tells it there's not enough water.